Today is Tuesday, July 27th, 2010, and this is my day log. In the morning I woke up at 7 and I went to Berkeley, and in the beginning we took a quiz and I think I did alright. I think I got one problem wrong, so I think I got like an 8 out of 10 for the quiz if I did not make any dumb mistakes. Anyways, after the quiz I went and tried to do my lab. I started on my I finished my elections project, and then I went into my project number 3, which is I have to given like many cities and routes and pricing between them, I have to find out, I have to write a piece of code that can determine the shortest route. Determine the shortest route to get to all the cities listed. And I thought about it for a long time, and I finally came out with not a solution, but the idea, so that is a good thing. Anyways, after that I went to Subway, ate sandwich, and then, oh yeah, I ate a roast beef sandwich. I should not have ordered it because I do not like roast beef. I didn't like it, I mean. And it was $6.50. I thought it was a $5 foot long, but unfortunately Subway kind of scams you, and only certain foot longs are $5. Anyways, I got back to school at like just before 2, and then I got dressed for practice. And then today we had a really easy run. We did 30 minutes and core, and that's it. After that, I brainstormed more about my project number 3, and then my dad picked me up, and then I went home, and then I took a shower. After I took a shower, I ate dinner, and then after dinner I'm starting to actually code my project number 3, even though I should actually be studying because I have a midterm, and it's pretty important. I have a midterm on Thursday, and it's pretty important that I really own it, because I just found out that to get a 4.0 in college, in UC Berkeley, I need an A+, or not an A. I need an A or an A+ for my grade, for my class. And right now, at first when I looked at the rubric and the grading system, I looked at it and saw that an 82.5% is an A-, and then that's like heaven to me, in like compare that to high school. But then I finally realized that that'll give me a 3.7, so I need that A. An A, I need I need 185 points out of 200. So, or no, 100. 1 second, let me check. I need 175 points out of 200 to get an A, and an A means a 4.0, and I really need it. Right now I have like a B+ in the class, but that only includes one of the midterms. I have one midterm left, and a final exam, which is worth 30% of my grade, and a final project, which is worth 8% of my grade, as well as some mini projects, which I've done okay on them. Not terribly good, but not terribly bad. In terms of my homework, I'm getting a 7 out of 8%. Quizzes, I'm getting, let's see, I'm probably going to get a 10 out of 12, so that's 1%, 2%, 3%, and then 2 more here, so 5% down. Project, hopefully I get that 8 to retain that 5. I lost around 1%, so that's 6% I lost for the midterm. So 6% of 200 is around 12 points. Around 12 points. So right now I am at a 188, which gets me in the A range for now. That is if I ace the midterm, my next midterm, and that is if I ace the final exam. Now I have a lot of leverage, 188 and 175, which is 13 difference. So 13 difference out of 200 plus that one extra point is like 7%. So I can lose 7% and still get an A, barely. But I really do want that. I really do not want the A-. Anyways, let's see. that's it for now. It's 8:07. Liang out.